know I love that look, don't you? The swoosh look. Right, I got a question asked on YouTube. Oh, it's a name and shame today. Smoking Joe on YouTube. What a ridiculous comment that was. Mentioning about one of the brave clients that have done a video to help all the bald guys about his sexuality. What kind of a knob jockey are you? Smoking Joe, I name and shame you as this week's keyboard warrior knob jockey. Anyway, I've blocked you, right? Anyway, personal comments about me, far away, I can take it, but none against the brave clients that do and give an opportunity for people to see them before and after. It takes some courage in my eyes. Going back to that actually, even though I'm all over the internet, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, I didn't want anybody to know when I first went ahead, you know, in my little world, you know, sportsman, I was playing a sport for a living. I just thought everybody worried about my hair loss, you know, so, and I just didn't want to know. And I actually got through it by phases, which is another subject I'm going to do, stages or phases. So I'm looking forward to doing that one actually. So right, let's go back to the question I wanted to answer. It's a simple one, so it'll be a short vlog. Does the colour run? If you colour a system, which I have to, mine, I've coloured this one once now around this area. As you can see, it's darker around here, but I've left the colours develop with the greys, pretty much gone more blonde than grey now. I've coloured it once around the areas 246, yeah? With a semi-permanent colour, and that holds pretty much straight away. Does it run? Does the colour run? I was asked the question. Once you've coloured it in a semi-permanent, which I advise you all to send your hair system, Hair for All clients, rather than do it online because you can stain the base. That's another video. I'm going to go back on that now. If you're going to colour a hair system with a lace, make sure you cover it with conditioner on the base because it will stain it. It's a fabric at the end of the day. So will the colour run? Once we've done a semi-permanent colour, we wash it off and it doesn't run. If it's a colour conditioner you can buy on our eBay store, then you've got to be mindful, you know, it's all logical, right? So if I put a colour conditioner, which is like semi-permanent and it can wash out after about 4 or 5 washes, if I put that on and then went to a gig or something that's outside and it rained, then it could run down your face, right? You know, so what I would advise people to do once they put a conditioner on at home for the colour conditioner, then you wash the hair system out and just do it thoroughly, yeah, thoroughly I should say. I could never do the H's, thoroughly, and then there's no problem at all. So yeah, just a simple flog. Just be mindful that the first day there may be some colour run on the colour conditioner, but apart from that, oh, I'm just going on to something. It's it just reminded me of guys that wear topics or fibres. You know, it's no comparison to that. If you put topics and fibres on your head, then if it rains, you got to step outside. You go, no, I'm off, and back inside again. So it's nothing like that. It's just managing the hair colour for the first day when you're doing it at home with colour conditioner. Okay guys, right, so I've named and shamed Smoking Joe. Alright, now clear off. That's ridiculous comment sometimes. Anyway guys, see you next week or in a couple of days because I'm doing them regularly at the moment. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.